If you don't master the little hacks that can make your puff puff come out perfect, I bet you can actually have a flop in the outcome of your puff puff recipe. Today I share with you how to make a perfect and delicious Nigeria puff puff. Stay tuned and let's get started. So I've added so far 4 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and I'm just going to mix that together. So an important thing to do, you can use water, you can use milk, but here I'm using milk. Just ensure that that milk is warm, or if you're using only water, just ensure it is warm. And for 4 cups of flour, I'm using 2.5 cups of milk. You are not going to add all the milk at once, just add it gently. Okay, so add it. It's going to be thickening a lot when you first added a little, but when you gradually add it, it's going to come out perfect. You can add all the milk or all the water at once, only if you are using a hand mixer. That way you're not going to get lumps in your puff puff batter. So you can see I'm using the back of the spatula to ensure that there's no lumps at all. I want a smooth batter. Okay, can you see this is the consistency that I want? I'm just going to cover that and place it in a very warm place. So now let me use this opportunity to share with you the ingredients. 4 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, 1 cup of sugar, nutmeg and vanilla essence, and 2.5 cups of warm milk. I transfer that in just concluded used oven that is still a bit hot, and just for about 45 minutes. Can you see it has double in size? Now I'm going to mix it gently again before I start to fry. Okay, so this is me here. I'm just trying to use that spoon to scoop it. I'm thinking I don't want to use my hand. Should I use this spoon to scoop it and all of that? But I discovered that this one is just going to give me a very big puff puff, and I want the bite size. So I still went up and used my hand to scoop it in to the oil. So you want to use a medium low heat for frying your puff puff. You don't want your oil to be too hot, and you don't want it not to be hot at the same time. Okay, so you just want to fry it until it becomes golden brown, just exactly as you are seeing. And now our puff puff is ready. Okay, this is so delicious, guys, and that is me enjoying it. Can you see it's just a bite size, and I'm just gonna put one into my mouth and enjoy. So that is it, guys. This is just the best way to make puff puff, Nigeria puff puff. So if you've enjoyed this video up until this moment, kindly give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.